Hello guys, welcome to another video of our weekly analysis. Nishin Nasser here from Secure Portfolio. Today we will be discussing the analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week, that is week 1 from December 28th to January 1st. Okay, so let's see the chart of Nifty first, then we'll move to the Bank Nifty. So you have already seen a correction in the market in the last week. So everybody knows that we were expecting a correction in the market. Okay, actually that it happened also, and it was a very a steep correction. Okay, as you can see, a very large candle of in red color. Okay, this is the line that we have drawn from a very long time. If you are following me for several weeks, you have seen this. Okay, we are in the same line. We have not drawn anything extra over here. So this was our resistance of around 13,800, but it has not crossed this level. And as I told that there is a big resistance over here. It will be very difficult to break this. So up to around 13,800 it has been fallen from there, and it has taken a support of this trend line that we have drawn. Okay, this is the previous trend line from before the corona time. Okay, so currently it is trading in between the channel, so that is a very good sign. Okay, it has not fallen from the trend line. That itself is showing that the market is still in the bullish mode. Okay, so as you have seen several corrections in the market, it started to overcome it all the falls, and it is going on a positive direction, that is on the upside only. Even if you see, there is a small correction happened here, and after that here, but still it market is going up. Comparing all these fall, this was a very huge fall. Okay, we have not seen this much of fall in recent times, but it has been corrected on the same level itself as of now. So we are expecting a bullish market in the coming days. So at least for December end, the market will be bullish, I believe, because December last week there will not be much buying and selling over coming, and it will be consolidating around 13,800. Okay, so this will be our first resistance, 13,800, and if it crossing above that, it can go to 14,000. So let's see the open interest data, how it is. So as you all know, this is our regular view of Sensible. Okay, so I've kept weekly, and this is the option chain. If you can see the change in OI, okay, this is the change in OI, and if you can see, market is bullish, because we can see here 2.7 million in green. Okay, so that indicates that it can go further to the upside. Okay, comparing to 2.4 million, so more chances is that is in the bullish side, because more option has been written over in the bullish side. And if you go and see the option chain, okay, so in the weekly, this will be the merger resistance, the 13,800. If it grows and it can sustain at least 1 hour or 2 hour in this level above the 13,800, it will move easily till to 14,000 in this week itself. But if it is not breaking this, or even, I'm telling you very clearly, okay, you understand that it doesn't mean that it will break and it will move further to 14,000. If it break and it is sustain the same level for at least 1 or 2 hours, then only it can move forward. Otherwise it will be a false breakout and it will come back, it will fall. If it fall, as you can see, last time also when it fall, why it went on a very big fall, because see, if you here, if it is falling from here, there is not much very good support comparing to this one. So there will be stop loss on all the trades that the traders are having. So it will hit here itself. If you can see, it is a sudden fall. Why it is a sudden fall? It is because after falling a little bit, there will be stop loss for all the people that have been keeping from here. Maybe they will be trailed up to there. Okay, so suddenly the software is, as you know, that most people, the professionals will be doing. Okay, institutional traders, they will be having an algo trading. So obviously it will hit the stop loss, and it will not see any further prices and all. It will start selling off. Okay, So that's why it gone down, and again from people thought that is a good opportunity to buy from there, and it is moving further. Okay, even if it falls also, it is going to be on the upper side. Okay, but the correction will be there. Okay, unless if there is any negative news is coming regarding the vaccine and all. Okay, that we cannot predict. Okay, if it comes that it will fall, so it has to go and it has to sustain above 13,800 for some time, then only it can go further to 14,000. Okay, let's see the monthly view for current month and the next month. Okay, so you can see the major support is 13,500, and the major resistance is 14,000. That indicates a very bullish market on the next month also to the January. Okay, anyway January it has to be around 14,000, but as I suggested earlier, in the mid of January we are expecting another fall. Okay, so it can come and touch 13,500. Okay, obviously it will be going bullish and it will sustain somewhere around 14,000, and it can fall to 13,500, and further also it can fall. Okay, I am expecting around 12,800, but not in the recent days, not in the coming days, but by the end of January. Okay, so be careful on your trade, book profit on every day or every week as much as possible. Do not take a long trade in this situation. Okay, market is very huge overbought, as you can see. Okay, so this is the monthly, and the weekly as I show you earlier. Okay, weekly it is 13,800, and there is no further support, so that also you have to keep in mind and put the stop loss on a regular basis and trail your stop loss. Okay, and I will show you if it further moves, if we can draw a line over here. Okay, it will come over 14,000. Okay, it's already coming 14,000. Okay, so, and if it falls, I will draw. Okay, this is almost 13,500. It's almost 13,500. Okay, 13,474, we can round it off as like 13,500. Okay, so this will be the major level that we will be looking in the next week, in the upcoming week, and to the January we are expecting 14,000 up to here, and it will be a fall coming, and if it breaks 13,100, 13,200, okay, it is going to be a very huge fall till 12,800 as I suggested earlier. Okay, so let's move and see Bank Nifty. Okay, in the Bank Nifty also. Okay, this is the same line we have drawn before. We have not put any further one. Okay, there will be resistance on 31,000. Okay, still now it's trading at 30,400, and when it reaches 31,000 there will be resistance, and there is going to be a fall, but not in this week. We are expecting a fall in January only. Okay, so there is a support at 29,500 around that, and there is support at 29,000. So let's see the open interest data. Okay, let's move on to the weekly one in the Bank Nifty. Okay, in the weekly you can see 30,500, as it is almost trading around 30,400. So there is a small resistance at 30,500. So in this week there will not be a major upside. If it can cross 30,500, it can go very easily to 31,000. Okay, and very easily it can go to 31,500, but this is a very huge resistance in this week. Okay, 30,500, and if it is not possible to break it, it will fall, and it can come up to 29,000 also. Okay, as I put two resistance. Okay, 29,500, so you can see 29,500 over here. Okay, at 30,000 also there is a small support. 30,400 also is a support. Okay, but in this week there will not be much trading as comparing to the previous week, so there is a less chance to fall. It will be consolidating somewhere around 30,500, or even if it move also, it will come and settle somewhere at 31,000. Okay, And in the monthly view you can see this is with December and January expiries. Okay, and here there is a huge support 29,000. Okay, as you can see here we have drawn this one 28,978. It's almost 29,000. Okay, and there's another one is at 30,000. Okay, 30,000. It's currently right now at 30,400. So there is a support at 30,000 also, and 29,500 I have drawn here. So as per the drawings, it is coming 29,000, around 29,400 or 29,500. So when it fall over here also, you can see it has taken a support. Okay, I have not drawn this after this fall. It was there from the beginning, this line. Okay, we are following this line for a very long time. Okay, and if it move further in monthly, we can see 30,500, 31,000, and if it move, it can go to 31,500 also. Okay, so let's see the previous view of Bank Nifty, and if we draw a resistance line over there, okay, we can say that here there is a resistance 31,500, around 31,500. And if I draw one more resistance, we can see somewhere over okay, around 32,000. Okay, so this will be our support level and resistance level in January. Okay, these three will be the resistance, and these two are the major support will be in December, and January also it will be the same. Okay, and if it falls from there, this is for January, I'm putting not now. The another support will be at 28,000 if it fall further. But this week, as I said, there will not be much movement, I believe. But anything can happen due to the market sentiments towards the COVID-19 and the vaccine. So be careful on your trade. I'm repeating again and again. Put your stop loss before doing any trade. Okay, that was about Nifty and Bank Nifty, and there will be an analysis for the stocks also. I'll put in another video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon.